Apologizing to your dog might sound funny, but our furry friends can pick up on our emotions, and a little sorry goes a long way in rebuilding trust or easing tension. Here is a simple guide to apologizing to your dog. Staying calm and gentle is the first step when apologizing to your dog. Dogs are very sensitive to human tone and body language, so they can easily sense when you are upset or relaxed. Speak to your dog in a soft, soothing voice and avoid sudden or aggressive movements that might frighten or confuse them. Using positive body language helps your dog feel safe and comfortable. Instead of standing over your dog, kneel down to their level so you appear less intimidating. You can blink slowly and keep a relaxed posture to show calmness and friendliness. Offering affection is a great way to apologize to your dog and help them feel safe again. Gentle petting, soft scratches behind the ears, or a calm belly rub can comfort and reassure them that everything is okay. Physical affection helps your dog relax and rebuild trust, showing them that they are loved and not in danger. Giving treats is another effective way to apologize to your dog and make them feel better. Offering a small treat or their favorite snack helps create a positive association and shows your dog that everything is okay. Treats can comfort and distract them from any stress or fear, helping to rebuild trust and strengthen your bond. However, give treats in moderation so your dog stays healthy and happy. Giving your dog their favorite toy is a simple way to make them feel happy and comforted. Offering a toy they love, such as a ball or chew toy, helps shift their mood from stress to playfulness. Playing with their favorite toy also shows attention and care, helping your dog relax and rebuild trust. This positive interaction reminds your dog that they are safe, loved, and still part of a fun and friendly environment. Spending quality time together is one of the best ways to apologize to your dog and rebuild trust. Take them for a relaxing walk, play fetch, or simply sit and relax together. These shared activities help your dog feel safe, loved, and valued. Since dogs understand actions more than words, giving them attention and time shows that you care and helps strengthen your bond. By showing patience, love, and understanding, you can easily comfort your dog and rebuild their trust. Consistent care and kindness will always strengthen the special bond you share with your furry friend.